Hi everybody, Dr. Mark Foley here. Moving on with our F major scales. Now we're doing 3 octaves. That means it's going to involve going into thumb position, which is a whole different thing up there. Most of us are probably not used to that. The main thing is to not be scared of it. They're just notes. They're just as easy to play up here as they are down here. We're probably just not as used to it, and the angles are a little different, but please don't be nervous about it. Just do it. How to use the thumb position. Okay, here I'm going to do the F major scale. Here's our F. Now I can put a thumb on the harmonic G right here. That's a nice landmark for us to measure things from. After that, we can continue going up with fingered pairs like we did in this 2-octave F major. So A, B flat is 1, 2, and then C to D. Okay, now we're doing this D. As you can see, my pinky is not long enough to reach the bass from this angle. So instead, we're going to put the 3rd finger down. So rule of thumb is like after this octave point, use the 3rd finger instead of the pinky. So I'm going 1 to 3 for that whole step, then E to F. So there you go. So just like before, just like in down here, you want to use really curved fingers. It's a little stranger up there. Like it's easy to like collapse your fingers, do stuff like that. Try to avoid that. Try to have it look natural, like you're typing again. It takes a little familiarity to do that, so be really patient with yourself. Couple of things happen when we get up into this scary area. One thing that happens is, so we kind of project that it's hard, which is not what we want to do when we're trying to impress people. So here I'm playing along, and then now I'm a little scared, so I'm going to use the less bow. And now do you hear how weak my sound is? I've got a lot of leverage against the string, and you get the squeakies. So project confidence as you get up there. I guess that's why we practice, right? If anything, use more bow because the string is vibrating faster, so it's eating up your bow even faster. So don't be afraid of using a lot of bow. Another thing is, as the string is getting shorter, we're going to need to compensate that by getting closer to the bridge with the right hand too. That's a hard discipline to get into because we're scared. We tend to get away from the bridge when there's fear. So that's why we get that weird squeak kind of sound. I've got so much leverage against the string here. I'm just overpowering the string. So make it closer to the bridge. By the time I get down here, I'm using a contact point that's, less than 2 inches away from the bridge. I think that's all I have to say for now. Please, though, if you have any questions, email me. I'd love to answer your questions. In the meantime, you can download the score with my fingerings on it if that's useful to you. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Take care.